In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account on your phone. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open the Facebook app. So here, I'm on the home page. And then I have to click on the three lines which are on the right over here. After that, you'll have to click on Settings. So you'll find the Settings icon on top. Then here, just click on the first box which says Account Center. After that, you'll find an option called Personal Details, which is over here at the bottom. So click on this. And now select the option that says Account Ownership and Control. So as you can see, from here we have an option to deactivate or delete our account. And it's the second option here. So click on this. And now just click on your account. So this is the account which you'll want to deactivate. So since we want to only deactivate our account, we'll select the first option. So once you deactivate your profile, your friends won't be able to see you in their list, and your name and photos will be removed from most things. So now select the first option and click on Continue. Then here, you'll just have to re-enter your password and click on Continue. Here they've asked for a reason. You can select any one. Then just scroll down and click on Continue again. After that, they've asked if you'd want to continue using Messenger after deactivating your account. So if you'd want to, click on this box. Otherwise, you can just uncheck it and click on Deactivate My Account. And now as you can see, the account was deactivated. So if I go to Facebook, it's taken me to the login page and I can't see my account. So now your account will be deactivated forever. And it's really simple to reactivate it. All you have to do is log in with your email address and your password. And then your account will be back to how it was before you deactivated it. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.